some grilled vegetable wraps today. So we've got some aubergine, some courgettes and some halloumi cheese. And for the marinade, we've got some olive oil, sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, ginger and garlic. So to make the dressing, we are simply going to take all of these ingredients here and put them into a jug and mix them together. We're going to whisk all of the ingredients together. Next, we're going to spoon the mixture over the top of the vegetables. We're then going to toss the vegetables in the marinade. And once this is all done, we'll put it in the fridge for about an hour.
I need your grace, you never regret, don't forget it, no matter the case, music be this, sweet, sweet days, my love nigga say, you got it, every day, you go need my baby to call and be close to me, yeah, guys man, like you, when you wake up in the morning, man, I need why you start for me, make you fall for me.
Always buy your own wraps, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to make some. We've actually got a video of how to make dough and we'll link it down below. So what we've got in this bowl is some self-raising flour and I've seasoned it with a bit of garlic powder, some thyme and some salt. I'm now going to add some water to it. And I'm mixing it until it forms the dough. If it gets a bit too wet, we can just add some more flour. So now it's all come together, I'm going to put my hands in it. So I'm going to put some flour. So just knead it all together for about a minute. Okay, so now I'm going to cut this and this should make about 6 balls. Okay, so I'm just going to roll them up and then put them on a plate for them to rest for about 30 minutes. Okay, so to make the wrap, we're simply going to roll this ball out until it's as flat as we can get it. And we're going to try and keep the shape as round as possible. And what we're looking for is the size of a dinner plate. So we're going to add about a teaspoonful of oil to the pan. And we're going to try and spread it around. Make sure the oil is nice enough. And then dust off as much of the flour as you possibly can. Okay, so this should cook for about 1.5 to 2 minutes either side. Okay, so turn it over. You do not want a crisp wrap, you want it to be slightly coloured. And add them all to the pile. Cover them with foil until you're ready to use them. So the griddle is really hot now, so we're just about to put the vegetables on there. So after a couple of minutes, we're going to turn them over. So we've got a lot of marinade here, so you can use some of that to brush over the vegetables as they're cooking. Continue cooking until all the veg is gone. purposely add in the cheese last. I'm just cooking it for about 1 to 2 minutes because I don't want it to go dry and rubbery. So the veggies cooked and so are the wraps. I'm now going to put everything together. First of all, I'm going to put some celeriac coleslaw on the wrap. I'm going to add my veg. And lastly, the grilled halloumi. I'm adding some green relish to this. Okay, and to wrap it up, you just take the 2 sides, bring it to the center, and then fold it over.